Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I have another haul to show you guys. This time it is from Check Beads exclusive. And if you remember, back in November, I think it was November or December, but I want to say it was November, when I got my Check Beads exclusive box and I got my Bohem style box, I had a coupon in each box for $20 off my next purchase. And last year they did the same thing too, and I went shopping and I showed you guys the haul that I got. So anyways, I had two $20 coupons to save 20 bucks off my order, and I had to do two separate bills in order to use both of them, and so I did. And I just wanted to show you guys what I bought, because I think what I bought is pretty interesting, and I haven't seen other people using them very much. I've only really seen them on Instagram, so I'm going to show you what I got, and you could tell me if you've ever seen these bead trays before. But before I show you the trays that I got, I'm just going to show you the beads that I got real quick. I just got a little bit. So I got some of my favorite aged Picasso seed beads. These come in different sizes in the bag. It's a mixture of beads, different sizes, colors, and they are beautiful, as you can see. I think I got this last time. I think I just got one 20-gram pack because it's all they had in stock. So this time I ordered 40 grams. They are gorgeous, and I want to open them up, but I think they're going to get my mat dirty. So let's see. I'll put them on my bead tray here, so you can see. And I have this little funnel. Yeah, so Picasso and travertine beads are actually very dirty beads. Like you could see, the bag is a little dirty there. So I love these so much. There's orange travertine in there. Look at that. Beautiful. There's yellow. There's green, like the avocado green Picasso. There's a crystal Picasso right there. There's striped seed beads in here. It's just a beautiful mix, and I feel like I can't get enough of these beads. They do sell out a lot on their site. And by the way, I will put links to these beads down there in the description bar. This mix here has the orange and yellow in it, as you can see, and Picasso green, and there's like a beige with black stripes. Those really tiny ones right there, those have black stripes. I love these beads. Okay, and then this was, I think, 40 grams. I think I got two packs of these, which is 40 grams, and they combine them for you, as you can see, because I have different amounts here in these bags. So this one is three 20-gram packs in this bag, and this is the green Picasso. If you go on the site, you'll see there's turquoise Picasso, purple. They have those ones mixed together. But this one, the last time that I bought on their site, they didn't have these in stock. They were sold out. These are so pretty. And I hope my tray is doing these justice. Look at that. There's stripes on that bead. So this one here, I have a bunch of this one in my stash. That purple, but this green here, I don't think I've ever had this shade of green in Picasso. So this is like a 32-0 bead right there, that really big one. I think that's a 32-0. There's 5 O's, there's 2 O's. I think this one's a 2-0. There's 6-0 seed beads in here. These have large holes, so you could put them onto a 1mm cord. They're great for wrap bracelets. They're just so gorgeous. And also, as you can see, there is a transparent one here. See that? It's Picasso finish. And this one here, is this the only one? This bead looks teal. Doesn't that look teal? Oh, there's another one. There's one. I see 3 of them. So it's like a really neat mix. So every time I get them, I feel like I can't just order one 20-gram pack. I have to order at least 2 to get a really nice mix. And the thing was, last time I ordered, I thought that they only had this color here in one 20-gram pack because they were sold out. And by the way, these are priced so fairly compared to other sellers. 20 grams. And that's the most that I've seen at one place. 20 grams. I think this was like 3 something. They were each different. One of them was 3 something. I can't remember which one it was. Anyway, I think it's been like 2 weeks since I made my order. Okay, so this one I liked the most. I wanted a lot of red Picasso, and I think they might have swapped the labels here because there is not 2 20-gram packs in here. This one says 5, so I think these 2 labels here should have been swapped because this looks more like 2 20 grams. Because if you look, there's more in here than here, and that's 3 times 20. So I think the labels were just swapped. That's totally fine. Doesn't bother me. Look at that. Now, I don't think I have this mix in my stash. This is the garnet red, so it's transparent red Picasso. Super gorgeous. I have some of these in my stash. I actually got those in tubes. But this red Picasso, so pretty. I'm gonna pour some on my hands because I feel like the tray is kind of hiding the beauty. Look at that. Orange. They are gorgeous. I love these. And the striped ones, oh my gosh, they're just stunning. I will separate these, by the way. I don't keep them mixed together because, and I've said this before, whenever I need a bead, I usually have to count them because I need a certain amount. So I like to have them separated so I know how many I have. So yeah, I'm addicted to Picasso beads, as you can see, especially seed beads. These are check. Okay, I'm going to put these away, and I'm going to show you the trays that I got. Okay, so that was them, and again, I will have links for these seed beads down there in the description bar. You will find more colors available. Another color mix that I got in the past, one that I really loved, was purple, blue, turquoise mix. Oh my gosh, it had the beige Picasso with the stripes on it too. So here is one of the trays that I got. I might need my knife to get this box open. So there's a whole bunch of these on the site. There's all different shapes. There's like a cat one. It just depends on what you're into. There's mandala ones, which I did get a mandala one. But this one here is a rectangle shape. And I went with this shape because I realized that this would fit really good in my bead trays. Because I have rectangle shaped and squarish like bead trays. Okay, so I got this one because of that. Oh, and there's a little gift in here. I'll show you that. Where'd it go? So this right here, I don't know if you've really checked out Check Beads exclusive or not, but they have these really cool kits where they do like embroidery on this or seed beads on top of these little charm things. Right there's a loop that you could put a chain through or whatever, but you can do like embroidery, beading on them. I think they're really cool. So this is the tray that I got, and I can't remember if this was $20 or $25, but look at this. It is amazing quality. Of course my lights are going to reflect on it. It has an acrylic lid. It's magnetic. The magnets are very strong. It's actually plywood. And I guess it's two separate pieces. One is like laser cut. Then I'm guessing that it's glued onto the other. But look at all the compartments. And this is the perfect size for my bead trays and when I do videos. I have that other velour bead tray that I use a lot, but I thought that this was really cool and I wanted to see what this would be like, because this is sort of similar to the velour bead tray that I have, but this one has way more compartments. But yeah. Oh, something else I wanted to tell you guys. So I'll have links for you to go and get yourself one of these. There's going to be different ones. I'm going to try and find all of them because they were kind of hard to find when I first went on there. I only found like a couple at first, and then I went back to the website and I saw more of them, and that's when I decided which one I was going to get. But there was this one set they had where you can buy two of these. I believe they were oval shaped. Okay, so if you look here from the side, these here really are made for seed bead work, especially if you want to put the lid on. Okay, because with the lid on, you can really only fit seed beads in here unless you're using beads that are super flat. I think that super duos would fit in here. But anyways, there was a set that they had of two oval trays. One of them, they stacked, one of them held bigger beads. One was for seed beads and one was for larger beads. And it said the depth of the little trays in here. So I'm going to make sure that I find that one for you guys, because I think that a lot of you would like that, to have the option of using a tray that has deeper holes, and the other one had more shallow holes. But I'll make sure that I'll find those and put them down there below for you guys. But anyways, I just thought this was so cool. Isn't that cool? It's gorgeous, and it's going to be really neat to use this to bead. And I love this really secure, tight fitting lid. The magnets are super strong. How cool. Alright, I'm going to put this back and I'm going to show you the other one I got. You know what? I don't think I'll close this box because I want to show you, compare these two trays side by side. So this one here is the mandala looking one. There were, I think, 3 different ones of this one here, but I went with this one because it had a center hole. I don't know why, but there was another one that had, like, see how there's 4 and then there's a center hole? There was one that had like an X through the middle, but I liked this one more. I thought this one was prettier. Oh, and look, this one here also has a free little gift inside, and it's a free gift. Isn't that funny? That's cute. I would really actually like to do this one. The shoe one I thought was okay, but this one I think is really neat because I could do the stripes, you know, down the middle of that box there, have the top be a different color. So that would be cool. So this is the mandala one. It's so pretty. I actually thought it was going to be bigger. This one here, whenever I buy stuff online and it tells me the measurements, I do go to like a ruler, or I have one of those mats that quilters have that has the measurements on it, the grid thing. You know what I'm talking about, like the fish cast mats? I have one of those. So whenever I go to order something online, I always go to that and be like, try to figure out how big it's going to be. Because from past ordering online, you get something in the mail and you're thinking, oh, it's going to be that big, and then you get it and it's like so small, or it's like way too big. So I always do that so I'm not caught off guard and have to return something. So anyways, this one here, I did like expect it to be this big because I read the measurements on it and I looked at my quilter's mat and I had an idea of how big this was going to be. But this one here is much smaller than I thought it was going to be. It's very pretty. I don't know if I'm going to be able to use this one much in my videos. The other one I really got for doing work in my videos, but this one here, because of its shape, I don't think I can have it in camera view the whole time because I will be working over top of it, and the other one could be off to the side, you know what I'm saying? But again, this one is gorgeous. Look at that swan there. Oh, they both have a swan in the center. Didn't realize that. That one has a swan, and this one. That's so pretty. I love flowers. That is gorgeous. There's so many compartments. And this one, I think it's the same deepness. It tells you when you go to buy this how deep these sections are. But anyways, I really love this purchase. I've shown you guys before. Before I got that velour bead tray, I had this. And this here has deep compartments, but it only has 7 compartments. And most of the time, I have more than 7 items in my projects, and this fights with the camera. White backgrounds in my camera just don't go together well. It makes everything look really dark. Do you see how it's doing that? It drives me crazy. So I like the option here to have a wooden tray, and plus I've always liked doing wood backgrounds in my pictures. So this is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm sorry that I rambled so much. I will, like I said, I will have links for the beads and for these awesome wooden trays down there below for you to go and get you some, because they're pretty cool. And check out all the shapes before you make a decision. Look at all of the different shapes, and also pay attention to the sizes. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. And check me out on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.